everyone. I recently had a teacher ask me about how to record herself reading a book aloud to her students. And I gave her a simple solution. And the more I thought about it, the more I thought how I should create this video about another resource you can use in your classroom that allows you to read a book along with your students, or at least so they can see your face and the words on the screen at the same time. So the app or the website that I'm using here to film all this is called Loom. You can type in Loom, LOOM.com, and you can go down there and download it to your computer, and then you'll be able to record yourself and your screen at the same time. It's a great resource that I encourage you to look into. So I'm using it here for the sake of reading, and especially I thought this would be a great resource for the elementary schools as there is a focus on reading. So as we're looking here, you can see on my screen, I simply just decided to pull up The Cat in the Hat as the book. So to find the book, what you want to do, whatever book you're reading or you plan to read, you just simply type in the name of the book and then type in PDF. And usually you'll find an online copy of the book that you can use for the sake of reading. You might have to possibly purchase the book so you could do this, or if you're lucky like me, you'll be able to find the book online. So here, after I typed that in, I found this website, and someone has already created a slideshow presentation on Cat in the Hat. So once you have the book, you simply just make your screen a full screen. And boom, now the students are able to see the book on screen, and then you can start reading the book to them. I thought that this would just be a great tool to make it a little more interactive to where they're seeing the words that you are reading as well as they're seeing you read. I know some people, they get a lot more out of seeing someone say the word than just seeing the word and hearing the word said to them. So I just thought I'd like to share this with you. Hope it helps. If you have any questions about how to download Loom or how this works or need help finding a resource, please feel free to ask.